Hello and welcome to episode 2 of Resident Evil Code Veronica, a series where I'm going to mess up so bad because of the control schemes. So yeah, don't learn by watching me. Just watch for entertainment. I forgot how to play. That's a lie, I didn't forget. I'm just trying to remember how to open my inventory. Okay, there's that. Oh, you can go all the way out and around? That doesn't seem right. Oh yeah, I'm getting the hang of this. Even though she's zigzagging, don't worry about it. Oh wait, it's raining. The fire is probably out, right? Probably not, but we're gonna try anyways. Alright, Claire, come on. It's raining. How is the fire not gone out yet? Alright, well we gotta come back to that for sure. Dang it. I did it so perfectly the first time. Alright, we've made it. I've been told that I probably need to hoard ammo at the beginning of the game. Let's see the map. Okay, we want to go straight to the other side. Yeah, back where there's most likely going to be dogs at. I'm not ready for that. I just want the record to show I'm going to most likely unalive to these dogs. Yeah, I didn't even see this yesterday that you could go this way. Okay. Oh no. Run, Claire. If I run into the wall, I can't bounce off. I can't accidentally turn corners. Aha! It's been locked from the other side with a padlock. It can't be opened from this side. Okay. I only have, what, 30, 35 bullets? Which sounds like a lot, but that guy's gonna take like 6. You can probably hear the clickety-clacking of my controller now that I think about it. Back up, back up, back up. Ah, you didn't back up fast enough, Claire. Oh, look, you kicked him and it worked. Wrong button. Thumbstick. Yeah, no, this is not going good. Apparently a dust box. There seem to be a lot of those, doesn't there? Oh, okay. We're pushing the switch. Let's release the lock first. How do I release the lock? Dang it. Sorry, I need to top off my ammo for sure. I have 1 bullet left. Oh man, I'm already running low on ammo. I didn't want to have to use the submachine guns. What is this? The release of the switch of the metal detector. The activation lamp is on.
Please deposit any metallic items you have in the security box.
No. I don't think I will. Okay. That makes sense. Huh. Construction materials are piled up here. Nothing seems to be useful. Okay, same thing. Oops. I must release the metal detector. There you go, I reopened it. Do I actually have to put anything metal in here? There's no way, right? Ugh.
Please deposit any metallic items you have in the security box.
Give me 1 sec. I need to look up if this gets rid of items. Alright, I have learned things. I've learned things real fast. Let me check something. Huh. I was reading, and people were... Everyone says that, yeah, you come back and grab your items back later. But am I crazy? I'm not crazy, right? Yeah, no, I'm not crazy. Or if I am, I'm not currently crazy. I kept seeing stuff about a fire extinguisher, which, the first time I read it, I thought it was a joke, but then I read it a second time, and I was like, oh, whoever said that wasn't joking, okay. But I don't currently see a fire extinguisher anywhere, so...
Please deposit any metallic items you have in the
F it, we ball, I guess. Wait, you can only put one thing in it? What if I put my one bullet in it? Well, it still does it. Do I have to scroll or something? Come on, skip through it. Thank you, thank you.
Please deposit any
I get it, I
metallic
get
items you
it.
have in the security
Stop telling me what to
box.
do, you're so mean. Under what circumstances would you only have one metallic item on you? That's what I want to know. Am I missing something? Oh, you can scroll. Okay, I'm not crazy. Okay. I was like, What? Do I have to put my lighter in there? Is that a thing?
Please deposit any metallic items
It
you
wants
have
my
in
metal...
the security
my metal
box.
detector. It wants my lighter, too? Oh. That's messed up. They're just gonna break through the windows and jump me. Oh. Do I get it back out here? Nope. No, I do not. Ooh, grenade launcher ammo. I know what that looks like. More grenade launcher ammo? Acid rounds? Oh, gas rounds. Is there anything else here to click on? I'm waiting for there to be a zombie in this corner that just jumps me. Huh. Interesting machines. User's Manual. 3D Duplicator User's Manual. Our new product, the 3D Duplicator, consists of two parts. 3D Scanner portion. This portion scans a 3D object. Simply place the material that you want to have scanned onto the tray of the scanner. The scanned object will be processed into 3D data, which will be transferred to the duplicator portion, and then the duplicator portion. If you place the material you wish to have converted on the machine, you can begin conversion based on the 3D data that was created by the 3D scanner portion. The conversion will be executed with complete data accuracy. The result will be an object precisely true to the original. You filed the user's manual. Is this a grenade? Oh. A first aid spray. That makes sense. The control panel of the 3D scanner. There's an activation switch. Nope. I haven't scanned anything yet. Auto duplicator. If the materials are set, I can restore the object. I hate that I can hear a zombie still. I can hear him moving. Am I gonna get bit as soon as I walk through this door? I can hear clickety clacking. Is it Steve? Facts on the facility access application. Be sure to verify the content of the following facility access application form and add the applicant's name to the expected visitors list. Chief, Prison Guard Room, Paul Steiner. I hereby apply for access permission for the prison area D. Details follow. Visitor's name, Carl Grisham. Purpose of entry, carrying in the following materials. 1. A new product sample from Metal Industries Code TG-01. 2. Various daily commodities ordered by the prison. Note: 1. Will use a transportation truck. 2. TG-01 sample will be stored in a designated briefcase. You filed these funny words. Is that Steve? That's my brother!
What are you doing here?
Chris Redfield. Is he a relative of yours or something?
You mean my brother?
Ah, your siblings. Well, it seems your brother is under surveillance by Umbrella.
What?
Makes sense. I'm sure so are you, Claire.
I've got to contact Leon and tell him to let my brother know he's being monitored. It's a good thing I have access to an outside connection from here.
Well, that file shows the latitude and longitude of this place. Why don't you send your brother the coordinates and ask him to come help?
Thanks. I'll do that.
Hey, I was just kidding. There's no way he could get here, even if he is your brother.
Yes, he can. I'm sure of it.
No way.
Tensions are rising.
He won't come. You'll just end up disappointed if you rely on others. Believe me, I know.
Walk off in a huff.
What was that all about?
For real. And Claire, I think you may have touched a nerve on that one. Ooh, what is this? Take the hawk emblem. Yes, taking the hawk emblem. There's a notepad here, but I guess nothing. The email to Leon has already been sent. Okay, we can save our game here. There's no item box, though. A lock release device. Pull the lever up. Yes. Whoa. Okay, I guess I'll lock. Yes, I'll lock the game. Yes, clearly you could. There's ink ribbons right there. Is that not an ink ribbon? It was. I'm not crazy. Yes, let's save our progress. I think I did it on 1. Oh yeah, I did. Player, O2, prison, OBS R. Around the world, around the world, around the world. Steve, come back! You're definitely overreacting. There's still assembly in here. Is there a fire extinguisher in here? Am I crazy? Nope, I am crazy, don't worry. Definitely losing it. Losing my mind. It kind of sucks that I may have spoiled myself on the whole fire extinguisher thing, but it would kind of suck if I didn't figure it out. Didn't figure it out. The door is being held by something. It can't be opened from this side. Dang it, Steve, you are really just a gremlin. Okay, I can't leave without checking this weird panel on the wall right here. Okay, nothing. We leave. We walk off in a huff, like Steve did.
Please deposit any metallic
metallic
items
item.
you have in the security box.
You know, if you think about it, it's possible to make flame rounds and grenade rounds without metal, but I'm sure... Wait, I gotta check something. Oops. Yeah, I pressed the wrong button. That's the wrong button again. Forgot to check this thing. Hawk emblem. Anything on the back? Emblem carved with a hawk symbol. Appears to be made of pure gold. Holy crap. Okay. Okay, well, I'm sure... Now, is this the kind of metal detector that detects gold? Probably. Oops. I was gonna say, is the can holding the, is it the first aid spray or is it the ink ribbons? If I do that and walk through... Or is the spray can...
Please deposit any metallic items you have in the security box.
Wow, they really did just include everything. I mean, smart and accurate, but it just made me wonder.
Please deposit
Okay,
any
okay, I
metallic
will.
items you have in the
Please.
security box.
I feel like half of the freaking episode has just been this stupid machine telling me what to do. They definitely won't jump through the windows this time. Ah! Take any metal items you have placed into the security box with you. I didn't read that correctly, but, you know, don't worry about it. Making my life hard game. Let me equip the gun. I'm sure this opens... oh my gosh. I'm sure that opened the, shutter gate out here, right? Well, it allows me to open the shutter gate, right? It does. Oh no. I see the fire extinguisher. Hey, Claire. Ah! Claire. Thank you. Scary noises. And scary enemies. They didn't expect me to do this. I'm probably gonna have to shoot through all of these guys. I don't want to, seeing as how my ammo is literally down to one singular bullet. Did they see me? Or is he just wandering off? Man, these camera angles. Okay, this one's probably mad at me. If I play my cards right, I can just walk back into here and the other ones will wander off aside from the one that's in the room, right? Right? If I'm not crazy. Or maybe I'm just thinking too hard. Fire extinguisher. My bad. Fun fact. Those are, in fact, flammable. And fun fact, that did not heal me as much as I wanted it to. Crap, I should have just mixed them. Now we're eating both. Okay. Actually, one more thing. Pop off of that. Anything else in here? There's a board. Oh, no control panel. do I do with this information? Like, what I've gained from this? I forgot that gate opened. He's gonna get up. That was only 4 bullets. He's not gonna get up. Oh. Ah! Ah! The horror! Yeah? Who? Run, sir! Oh, you didn't run the correct way. In fact, you did worst case scenario in that position. Is that friggin' guillotine? Grab the item, please. Padlock key. Okay. I'm so dead. Knife? Oh, I did it! Holy crap, I did it. Indentation of the indigo blue plate. Okay, and then the padlock key opens that door over there. For quicker travel, I imagine. What was the point of this stuff, though? And I'm probably gonna actually... Okay, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna... abuse my powers of, editing. And I'm gonna go grab the,
Please deposit
the
any
first aid
metallic
spray and
items you
probably
have
eat it.
in the secure.
I guess that dude ain't done for. Look at him. Still wandering around in there. I got the padlock key. I grabbed all my stuff back, healed myself. I'm holding the dual machine guns because I feel like those dogs are going to jump out at me. Yeah, because I can't unpadlock that from this side. Should I just try running for it? I don't think it's going to... Oh my gosh, that made me jump. Oh, that made me jump so hard. I'm sorry I didn't say anything. Woo! Woo! That made my heart hurt a little bit. Oh, hello there, hungry guy. Whoa! What? That was crap! Or just, like, materialized. Like, hey, what's up? It me. Mummy. Man, I wasn't ready. There's more in the graveyard, too? Are you kidding me? Are these guys in any way dodgeable? Okay, her eyes show me where one of them's at. There's one, like, right in front of me. Oh, okay. How much ammo did that take? 98. That took 2. Okay, 2%. So there's a dude right here. Okay. Okay, and they both put out blood, which usually tends to mean that they are no longer living. We put the fire out. Is the dude's drugs in here? Let's see what's in here, shall we? There's a button. Yes, I'm gonna push it. It went flying away. TG-01 was inside the briefcase. There's also an explanation document for the special alloy TG-01. TG-01 description. Thank you for your continued support and for using our products. This time we have gathered our most advanced technologies and have succeeded in creating the unique anti-metal detection alloy TG-01. TG-01 features cannot be detected by any metal detectors, cannot be pictured by roentgenography, And the immigration check. Lightweight yet durable. Hey, don't make fun of me for that, by the way. That word made no sense to me. We plan to develop various weapons utilizing this innovative new alloy. We have enclosed a sample for you to review. We look forward to hearing from you regarding possible business opportunities. Metal Industries Co. Chief, Development Planning, Carl Redhill. Okay, so is there anything special about it? No. Newly developed special alloy cannot be detected by metal detectors. Okay, I understand that. I get what I'm supposed to be doing with it. I don't like that she's looking at them, so they're probably still alive. But what am I supposed to copy using the alloy? Can I copy anything? I'm gonna slow walk so I can get around these guys. There are gonna be dogs through here though, so I need to be wary of that. Right, bumper, aim down, and then press. That's what I thought, dogs. We're not all friends here. Yeah, no, I don't want to talk to those guys. The dude still in the cage by chance? He is, okay. Let me go this way. Alright, and then I'll do all the fancy stuff and figure out what it is. Oh, wait, well, I can't put anything to scan in it aside from the ammo and that what, sigil?
Please deposit any
Is that what I'm supposed to be?
in the security box.
Do I have to copy the sigil then? I won't forget the lighter. I forgot it last time. They're gonna break through the windows, aren't they? Don't break through, don't break through, don't break through. Breaking through is for nerds. It's definitely not for ammo, I know that much. Like, why would I make... What in here would be worth copying? It'd be the emblem, right? There's an activation switch. Press the switch. Yes. Activating the enhanced 3D scanner. Please place the material you wish to have scanned on the scanner portion of this machine. I wish I could do my gun. This? I don't know what I'm supposed to be copying with this. Nothing anywhere has told me what I need to be copying, right? Should I save the game? F it, we ball. I'm gonna save the game. Alright, I've saved the game. Let's try this. Yeah, see, so it lets me use it on this. I don't know if it lets you use anything, though. Data transmission complete. Auto duplicator of the materials are set. I can restore the object. Where do I set the materials? 3D data has been prepared already. Yeah, so... Oh, do I just press use right here? Oh, I do. Okay. Whoa. This is fancy. I've done it. Duplication complete. Special alloy emblem? Yes. I think that is what the game wanted from me.
Please deposit any metallic items you have in the security box.
It makes me wonder, what if I lock out that thing and then do that? Do they still break through? And how am I gonna get away from these dudes? It does make me wonder, though. I want to know, like, I won't go back and save to check, but I really, really want to know. Looking at one? No. It's right here. Around this corner, yeah. There's nothing I can do. Push them both over. Nice. Sorry, don't mind me, guys. I'm getting freaking beat up in this game. I hope the shorter videos do good with this game. I forget, what was... Where am I even supposed to go from here? Oh, that big gate is opened now. Okay. We'll walk through that gate, and as long as nothing crazy happens, I'll end the game through there. End the game. I'll end the video. Sorry, dogs. I'm not here for you. Don't talk to me. Respectfully. Oh, that's the dude. That one dude. Oh. I'm picking up what you're putting down, game. I'm picking up what they're putting down. That's why I needed it. I never clicked on the door. Or the gate. This is very ominous. Okay, her eyes aren't wandering anywhere. That's the wrong button. What was the map button? Why? Okay, interesting. So this isn't any. The door has been completely destroyed. Understandable. That door's been completely destroyed too. Huh. This looks trippy as heck. I feel like something significant's gonna happen across this bridge. So, I will end the episode here then. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have you hope. Yep, I hope you have an amazing day or night or whenever you decide to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!